Hi, I'm Scott. We're going to show you how we built this pantry closet on Dad It Yourself. Hey, good morning. We're back at the Pink House. And what we are going to do today, let's see if I can zoom out a little bit for you guys, is I'm building a wall pantry right there. It's going to be 2 feet out and the width of this wall, and that is to provide more storage for the kitchen that's right here. And we did a whole reno video on this kitchen. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll have a link for it down in the description. But let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is pull this trim off, pull this molding off, cut this molding back, and then find that point in space over here where the wall is going to go and cut that molding back. And then I need to cut a little bit of this flooring out so that we can put the studs right down to the subfloor, and this floor can still move as it needs to. Okay, so I got the floor taken out and my measurement was wrong for some reason here. I was originally thinking this was an 84-inch wall. It's actually 99 inches. So here, I got these openings cut to where they need to be. But what I want to do first is I want to build this wall. And that's going to be able to help me anchor in, anchor up here, and do all that. And then I'll be able to put the top to this one. Now, I can't build these walls and stand them up because it'll hit the ceiling and I won't be able to do it. So what I'm going to do is build them in place. So I got this wall in, and I found out that this ceiling is a lot more flexible. So I'm going to go ahead and build this next wall, which is this front corner, in place on the floor, and then just stand it up. So I know that corner board looks good. I got a spot for my jack stud, but this top plate is supposed to go all the way across to this other wall. So I need to unscrew this and pop this wall back out again, and hopefully I can get that top plate in right. I have that top plate on now the way it's supposed to go, and that wall put back in place. Just need to build this little support wall down here. Hey, we are done with framing. This thing is not level and it is not square, but this opening right here is level and is square because we got doors hanging in here. So we're done with that. We're going to start putting the siding on now. Hey, end of day one, and we are pretty much done. We are framed and we are paneled. I've already actually fitted all of the inside trim for the doors. I just got to take it back to my shop and rip it on my table saw. And then tomorrow we're going to put that up. We're going to do casing around it. We're going to do baseboards. Then we're going to start hanging shelves and doors, and this thing will be done, ready for paint. So I just finished loading up here at the Home Depot. And I already went to Lowe's this morning to pick up the doors. They didn't have them here, but I'll have links to all the products I use in this project in the description. Hey, good morning. Day 2 of the closet build. We're going to finish this project today and probably including paint. But what Trevor and I decided is we're going to do all the stuff on the inside of the cabinet first so that we don't have to fight the doors coming out. I have all the trim cut and ready to go, but we're going to lay out where we're putting the support brackets, and then we're going to paint the inside of the closet and trim it, and then we're going to hang the doors. So let's get started on day 2.
The subscribers.
While Trevor was touching up the paint and doing it, it's coming out really good. We still have to put some more stuff here, so there's going to be some more touch up there. But I put in these brackets. Now I'm going to say the recommended distance between these is 24 inches. Okay, these are 39 inches apart. As you can see where the tape is, there are more studs, but to add 3 more bars adds like another $100 just in hardware. So we're going to go with just these 4 for now. And then if we see that we're getting some bowing, we can always come in and put more in. So we're going to go ahead and put the brackets on and cut the shelves. And then we're done inside and we can start working on the outside trim. Shelves are all in and level. And of course we had to do touch-up paint because we scratched new paint. And I've got the door frame in now. We are going to trim these out and then hang the doors. While Trevor finishes touching up the rest of the paint, a couple of trim pieces there, we have all of the trim installed. None of the trim is painted and some of it is caulked. This whole house needs all of the trim caulked and painted. So when we do that, we'll do this. But this looks pretty good. We're going to put the doors up. All right, I'm going to be honest with you right now. I am not going to do a time lapse for the door install because it's probably going to be a pain in the ass. It's probably going to take a lot longer than I want it to. And I'm going to do a lot of fiddling with it. So the next shot you're going to see is those doors installed. We worked on this project over 2 days or about 10 hours. I'll have a list of all the materials we used right over here, and you can pause just to take a look at it. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put those down below. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do, hit that bell for notifications. If I've done anything in this video or any of my other videos, consider becoming a channel member, giving me a super thanks, or becoming one of my Patreons. I've got some videos over here you may be interested in. The subscribe button's right down here. Thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.